No, my princess, no. My name is Peter Obuneme. Well, you see, everybody in this community calls me Piccolo. So yes, they call me Piccolo.
You're such an intelligent, handsome man. Do you mind if I ask you for a favor?
No. I mean, you're the princess. You can ask me anything. As long as it's within my power, I'll grant it.
Yeah, sure. It's something you can do. Do you mind us to go to somewhere more cool and comfortable to talk?
I'm sorry, my princess, with all due respect. I have somewhere I need to be now. It's very urgent. If you don't mind, we could do that some other time. I'm sorry to disrespect you.
No problem. No offense taken. Don't worry. Maybe we'll talk some other time when you are free, okay?
Alright. Thank you, my princess. I'll be on my way.
You're free?
Thank you.
Okay. Bye. Piccolo, right?
Yes, Piccolo.
Just take a good look at yourself. The only illiterate graduate. I sent you to school and you came back with absolutely nothing after 8 years in the university. All you do is gallivant, rigmarole, and maroon the entire community looking for who is asleep, so you steal from them. While your mates are in the city doing big things, making money, and making their parents proud.
I don't hear. Papa, if I'm useless, you are useless. What of you? What do you achieve? You achieve nothing from America. The only thing that you can do is, show man, this one, Joe!
What is going on here?
Ask your young man, father.
Come back here. Come back here and bring my money.
Papa, it's okay. I've told you to stay away from Techno's problems.
I should be scared of my son. That unscrupulous magnanimous pimp because they call him Techno.
No, rather for peace to reign.
Now get out of my presence. I don't care if peace reign or not before I get mad at you. Huh? Real Oko, don't my ass go. I should be careful of Techno. Is he now my father?
I hope you won't be mad at me.
No. I won't be mad at you. Go ahead and see what you have in mind.
Okay. My princess, do you like him? My princess, you are smiling.
Of course I am. Do you want me to cry?
Not really. I thought you'd be very mad at me.
No, so why do you ask?
My princess, I saw the look on your face.
You are right. I love him. I love him so much. But the problem is this. I'm worried due to the look on his face. It's like something is bothering him.
Maybe it's because of his father's present condition.
What happened to his father?
My princess, his father is very sick and he is in the hospital.
Oh no. I'm so sorry about that. Please, do you know the hospital he's in?
And where do you think you are going to?
No more to talk. No more to talk.
I said, where do you think you are going to? You're not going anywhere. Where do you think you are going to?
And what do you think you are doing?
And what does it look like I'm doing?
Woman, what do you think you are doing?
I said, what does it look like I'm doing?
Don't provoke me this morning. Don't!
You are going nowhere. Are you hearing me? I said you are going nowhere.
Njideka, will you leave me?
You are going nowhere.
Leave my clothes. Njideka, you know how brutal I can be when upset. Just leave my clothes.
What else can you do? If not to beat me. You see, I'm ready for you today. You must drop money for food. Oh, you are going nowhere.
So you believe it's because you are holding my cloth I cannot go where I'm going? No! You shall not, yeah? Eh?
I said you are going nowhere.
Will you leave this plot?
I said you are going nowhere.
Will you leave this plot?
You are going nowhere.
Yes, I am regretting getting my hand. And if there is not taking that, I say we're not there. Oh, what is this?
Your Highness, like I say, we can't continue conducting the meetings of the council without an no. We need someone who can confidently occupy that vacancy temporarily for now. And that someone is me. Because ain't no dude in here more qualified than I am.
Papilo, can you hear yourself speak? And I look if you need.
Did I say anything wrong or evil? All I did was suggest to all of y'all that I've become the Onowu for now. So that when Ichieloka dies, my position can be made permanent.
Papilo, why not respect yourself? Huh? Are you wishing the Onowu dead just to occupy his position?
All of y'all know that I'm not Mother Nature. I can never obstruct nature. Never. But the problem with all of you elders are that you're so myopic. You can't see what I can see. Mother Nature has been calling for no. So please don't accuse me of anything.
Papilo, nobody is accusing you. We are only advising you to talk and behave like a matured man that you are.
Anyway, let us calm down. This is not the time to banter like this. What should be our main priority is how to raise funds so that we can pay Onowu's hospital bills and he can leave the hospital. Not thinking about his death.
Niche. Piccolo, just 1 minute. Papilo, let's see outside. See me outside.
Hello, beautiful ladies.
Hi! Good afternoon. Oh my God, you're so cute. Sorry, my name is Choma Madika. I'm from this village. I'm a graduate. Yes, we're four in my family. I'm the first child. What else do you want to know about me? Just...
Sorry. Wasn't very true.
Oh, pardon my manners. I'm so sorry. Sorry I didn't introduce her to you. Meet my best friend. Her name is Oge. She's also from this village. Anywhere you see me, you see her. She's my best friend. We do everything in common. Everything. Just tell me. Just tell me. Just tell me. Oh. Okay. You want to speak for yourself? We don't expect you to talk. Standing under the scorching sun while you seated inside your car, cooling off with your AC.
Forgive my bad manners. And please, what is your name?
Is that what you do for a living?
Come on. Don't be too difficult.
Going about asking people their names. Okay. Since that's what you want, you have to start by introducing yourself first. Yes. That will make the whole lot of sense.
All right. My name is Chim, Olisa, Pascal, Okoro, Opatulewu, Upiego, 1.
I see. What a problem.
Bravo. But I would have added that of your brother to it.
Okay. Wait, let me finish with you. Since only you have 10 good names to yourself. Rubbish. Okay. Brother. Sorry, go. Brother. Oh. Okay. Okay.
Papino, you are my very good friend. Our friendship dates back decades ago. You traveled to the United States, you came back to Nigeria with nothing. Papilo, I don't know if it is a long sojourn in America and their way of life that affected your sense of reasoning. I told you to lie low. Why did you bring up this matter again?
Your Highness, to start with, I feel insulted by your first paragraph. You can't say shit like that to a nigga like me. I thought I was your friend, your homie.
My apologies, Papilo.
Better.
But why did you bring up this matter again before the council? Why?
Your Highness, if you know me like you claimed you did, way back in the days when we were kids, you know I'm a very ambitious person. I'm an ambitious man.
Ambitious man? Ambitious man? You came back to Nigeria with nothing. Your ambition could not even fetch you $1.
I just feel insulted again. Iwe, do you know you just insulted me again, nigga?
Nigga, you are not going to get any sorry from me this time around. Man!
Iwe,
eh? Chee! 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 Chee!
And you were busy throwing yourself at him. And so, was that why you didn't give me a listening ear? From the start, you wanted him. So why don't you go get him by lending him your ears for him to talk to you? You saw everything. He did not want me. It's you that he wants. Then make him want you. I know that beautiful choma that flaunts herself around men, that knows how to woo men to herself. You can make him want you. What is even wrong with you, this girl? What is wrong with you? Eh? Look at you. Do you think you are getting any younger? No. Come and suck breasts. Oberenwa. Come and suck breasts. You are not getting any younger. What is even wrong with you?
That's my
are
mother.
You sure you know what you are doing? Eh? Look at that cute guy. Hi. Look at that handsome guy. And with the look of things, it seems like he has a fat wallet. Didn't you see his car? What else do you want? Eh? What is wrong with you? Hey, Choma. Cars, money is all that matters to you. Nothing else matters to you in this life, right? Be careful about your life, oh. Let's go to my house. You're coming. You're not coming. You can go back and meet him. Now flaunt yourself so that he will take you. I don't like follow me to my house. I don't really blame you. You're doing guy. But don't soup or no soup. If you like, come and eat. If you don't like, stay there. What is wrong with this girl? Eh? What is wrong with you?
Go and talk to your friend, Papi. Talk to your friend, Papi. Talk to your friend, Papi. Look, that man is gradually losing it, but he does not know.
What will I say? Eh? I've said it all, but he just not to listen.
You still have to talk to him some more. Still talk to him. How? Now, you reason, how can Papilo be the Onowu of this noble king? Even if Eluka does not survive his illness, he still cannot be our Onowu.
He discussed it with me earlier, but I advised him to wake up from his slumber. Yes, and I still asked him, if he refuses to wake up, let him keep on dreaming.
So what kind of Onowu?
Yeah, man. Shit, man. Goddamn. Choo! Is that the kind of Onowu we want?
Can you imagine? How can Papilo become the Onowu of Umueze in Sophia Kingdom? Eh? How will he represent us at the Zuna Prime Minister's meeting?
No. Eh? When he gets there, he will be telling them, goddamn, man, shit, man, okoko, man, ewu, man. Choo! That's what he will go and do. Let me tell you. You see that Papilo? He's a full-grown, deported monkey. He can never be a woman.
Papa, hope you enjoyed it.
But now, take your daughter, go inside. I want to talk to my son.
I know this has been your way. Since my son Chima came back, you want to always be with him so that you have everything he came with alone.
Is it not my son?
So?
Is it not my son?
He's also my son.
Take your daughter and go inside. Every time you're outside looking for to talk.
Hey! Am I a better gossip?
Mama, it's okay now. Let's just go inside. Let's go.
Mama, wait. Don't worry yourself. No matter how much you try, he can never take what is meant for you.
Bam! My son! Welcome, man! Hey!
My son, you said you wanted to tell me something.
Yes, Papa.
What is it?
Papa, you do be complaining. At this time I that there is this beautiful girl I saw in this village. But Papa, I tried talking to her. She couldn't give me a listening ear.
She gave you no listening ear?
Yes, sir.
A lady in this community. Is your ram alone up here? A young, handsome, rich man like you now.
She's a monkey. Papa, I don't even know what prompted her. She just left, Papa. Do you know her? Or what family she comes from? That is what she refused to tell me. Yes. Okay. Go and find out her name. Find out the family she comes from and leave the rest. Alright, I will do just that. I am sure. Okay?
No girl in this community can refuse you. You are rich and handsome. You are my son.
And that is the Ojodi compagnon.
The Ojodo
compagnon.
It is finished.
You don't know what I can do in this community. But I trust you.
Come on, get out of here.
That is the Ojodi compagnon. That is the Ojodi compagnon. I want some. Who is that girl in this community? My son now who was it? Hello?
My friend, I got a question for you. And I need you to give me a direct, simple answer to it. Man, I'm listening. Why can't I become the Onowu of this community?
Because we are not qualified in any way.
When I asked you this question as my friend, I expected you to respond with answers, with reasons. Man,
you have answered it for yourself. Leave Onowu first. Which of the elders speak the way you do? Yeah, man. Shit, man.
So my American accent has become the problem all this while. You are nothing but a jealous brother. Man.
Jealous of what? Jealous of shit, man.
Of course. What else do you have to say?
Let me still ask you. Which of the elders is addressed as Papilo instead of Mazo Keke, Mazo Kafo? Not to talk of someone who is going to represent us as a state level. What are you going to be saying then? Huh? At the Zuna Prime Minister's meeting? Yeah, man. Shit, man. Nigga, man. Okuku, man. Huh?
I can see it clearly now that you are wallowing in jealousy over my American accent. Something you can never ever speak in your wildest dream. Not even any of your fellow elders. And you don't know how to deal with it. Man.
If not that you are my bosom friend, I would have called you EIU. Which man would be jealous over another man's stupidity? Huh?
I can't believe you came into my compound and you're running your mouth like this. Man.
I did not come here to insult you, but to speak some sense into you. Respect yourself as an elder.
Man, if you don't leave my compound this minute, you'll let me lose my temper. Man, or twice in a war. Choo, 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 choo.
What I heard, is it true?
Now what you hear is true. My father is dead.
Don't say that again. So it is true. Chai! Hello, man. Hey! You take this like a man. These things happen. It's okay, it's okay. It's alright. Because you eat your come, you take it like a man. So these things happen. It's that it, man. Pass. How together do you live? And you feel that one business.
I wish I had the opportunity to study in Harvard like you.
I know I would have loved for you to be around over there. But it never happened. Like they said, destiny differs. Yeah, we are sisters, but we have different destinies.
You see? Tell me, where is the lie? No, tell me.
So, you're still like this, you've not changed, right? Eh? You know you're never serious.
That is it about life. You don't need to take life too serious, else painful exit will be your name.
But you're never a serious person.
Don't mind me.
Okay, now, where is the lie?
Oh.
And where is the lie again?
Now you play
I have done my
own. Sis, tell me, how is the environment and everything? Like, how is life over there?
My dear, apart from the natural environment we have here, and we are so free to do whatever we want, that we have freedom here. Over there is 100% better than this place.
I can tell. Who chooses death over sleep?
But believe you me, our country will revive. Who have hope?
Go to my business. Ugo, what is it?
And what is it that you could not say before my sister?
My princess, I thought you wouldn't want her to know.
What could that be that I cannot handle before her?
My princess, it's about Kolo.
Kolo? What about him?
My princess.
Speak and stop keeping me anxious. What happened?
My princess, he lost his dad this morning.
No! 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 Just come, let's go.
Mom, I don't know. I was here with her discussing when Ugo came and took her away.
Ugo came. And where did she go?
Mom, I just told you I was here with her discussing when Ugo came and took her away. I don't even know what she told her that made her cry. She left in tears. Just that I don't know.
Yes, I can.
Hold on, let me get this.
Okay. I got myself a clean. No, don't worry. I could not hold myself immediately. Ugo told me about it. I broke down. So I had to rush down to this place immediately to see you. Tell me what happened. We met yesterday and your dad died today. How possible is it? No. It's unacceptable.
Princess, please, I don't want you to start blaming yourself or anything. I mean, it wasn't your fault, right? I don't know. He had complications already. You know, he was already in a very critical condition. As a matter of fact, I was even heading to give him food when I saw you. Yeah.
Piccolo, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry about it.
Thank you.
I was even planning to come to the hospital to help you pay the hospital bills if you cannot afford it.
That was really thoughtful of you, my princess, but the bills wasn't the issue. You know, we already deposited some money and for them to commence treatment. I don't know, for whatever reason, they couldn't just save his life.
Then what happened? What is the problem then? What did the doctor say that is the problem? What happened?
Papa,
Yes.
what are you celebrating? Papa, did you win a jackpot?
My dear, something bigger than the jackpot. My beautiful daughters, something bigger than the jackpot.
Something bigger than the jackpot. So what could that be?
You know of this community is dead, man.
Papa, you're celebrating another man's death. A fellow chief like you.
He was a bad dog, man. He was the one stopping me from my desire.
Papa, how is the owner of this land a bad threat to you?
His presence was nothing but a stumbling block from me becoming the traditional prime minister of this community. Now that he's dead, listen, I am going to comfortably occupy that position as the owner of this community. Man! Yo, baby, you got the game. Congratulations.
You mean you're supposed to go to Papa is celebrating another man's death? You want me to be at this, Papa?
Okay, don't mind your sister. She's in the dark. She don't know what time it is. You don't know the game, baby. Tag along with your life. Now that's one. Anybody who doesn't like what we do, come back in it. Towards you. Wow.
Papa, let me join you before now.
Yalla.
Hey, Papa.
Nollywood made me. You have been told me. This to the hood. Rub you like a shoe. but we knew heaven. Shout out to the Guru. Only emergency, but the flow is international. The one thing, hey!
Where is this girl? Where is she? Where could she have gone to? Good day, Mom. You got me worried. I'm okay. I told you to always take permission before you leave the palace. Here is not abroad you came from. Things are different here. Huh? Mom, I can take good care of myself and be perfectly okay. Your sister said you left with tears. If I may ask, to where and what is the problem? Mom, no problem, I'm fine now. That is the problem with you. You are too secretive for my liking. Even things you're supposed to tell me as a mother. There are things you need to confide in me. But in your own case, no. You choose to keep it to yourself. Ini Edo, what is your problem? Mom, believe you in me when I say that this is not something you want to know. I am fine. What makes you think so? Because it's not necessary.
To go to the farm.
You are sleeping. Listen, before I close my eye and open my eyes, go inside, carry your cutlass, and let's go to the farm.
My problem is, I don't know how some people reason. I don't know. Papa just died yesterday, and today you are marrying your cutlass. You are marrying your basket. Go into the farm. Okay, let me ask you. What will people say? Should they see you people going to the farm?
What will people say if you die of hunger? Are you normal? What is wrong with you? So because Papa is dead, we should not go to the farm. We should just die of hunger just like that. And allow all those grasscutters to eat up everything we have in the farm. Seriously, he's talking.
Well,
Papa is dead. Didn't you eat 3 square meals? I'm asking you. Have you not been eating back to back? I don't stand up and let's go to the farm.
Well, I don't care what people may say, I don't care what you may be thinking, but what I know is that me, Uche, I am still mourning the death of my beloved father, and I am going nowhere.
Stop acting like you're the one most affected here. I remember vividly when you refused to go and see me in the hospital while you were sick.
And so
what?
Does that change the fact that he is my father, my beloved father? It's boom bam.
If I use this cutlass to cut your ear now, you say I've started. You're not normal. Well, I will just tell you for the last time. Stand up now, take your cutlass and your hoe, let's go to the farm before I do something to you.
What else can I, if not beat me? But the point here is, can you catch me? You cannot catch me, so you cannot beat me.
Hi.
Hi!
Were you not the girl I saw the other day with her stubborn friend?
Yes, it's me. That my friend. She's very, very stubborn. You are correct. I am Choma the good girl.
I want us to talk.
Hey! Okay.
Wait. Let me come down from my car.
You want to come down?
Yes. Oh. So how is she?
She's fine. Let me even ask you. What did you see in that, my friend, Oge? That cheap prostitute?
Wait. You mean she's a prostitute?
Oh, you are new in this village. Who does not know Oge? Oge is a cheap prostitute. She has slept with almost all the men in this village. Any man that has not slept with her must be an underage. Yes. In fact, let me tell you the full story. Oge na-eke, Oge bukezaya. Oge na-eke. Onwe hebe ode eke fo. Oge na-ebe n'okwe. Onwe hebe ode ebe fo. Oge. Mani mafia o. Mana ndeli o. Mana unu mango. Mana unu cashew. Mana copy. Name it. Even self, if you want now, you call her. Obio kenye gena moto sharp ode Oge. Just chole amajai. Ubele ego.
You mean her name is Oge?
Yes, no. Yes, her name is Oge.
Is she that loose?
Oge, hi! Loose is an understatement. I just told you that Oge bukezaya ni yo na-eke adi homma, yo na-ebe no adi homma, yo na-ebe bu azin, o na-ebe bembesa. Onwe onye ode before. Onye ode before na village abo obele nwe kunaka. Oge. Oga, don't even go to that direction. Oh, in a crazy. You go genocide there. You know go. In a jumbo, maybe in a Catholic. I'm not actually going anywhere. I can follow you. I can accompany you. So that, I should go into the car.
She's coming, my queen. Greetings, my queen. You sent for me.
Ugo. The princess have not been herself since yesterday both of you came back. What happened?
I do not know, my queen.
You do not know?
Yes, my queen.
Let me believe you, even though I know you are lying to me. Now tell me, where did both of you visit yesterday? And do not try to lie to me, else you will not like to see the other side of me. Speak out. Where did both of you visit yesterday?
My queen, she wanted me not to speak. She wanted me not to tell anyone or say anything about it.
Really? Yes. Who employed you?
You did.
Who pays you?
You do, Your Majesty.
And I can as well sack you right now without wasting time if you do not tell me what I want to know from you. Now speak out. Where did both of you go yesterday?
Are you not going to come down and say hi to my father?
That will be some other time. I have somewhere to run to.
Okay, no problem.
How are you?
Who is he?
Who is your babe? And who are you to ask me that question? Who are you to ask me such question?
Wait. Chioma, who is this miserable looking young man?
My dear, don't mind him. He's one of the village rapists in disguise of a laborer, deceiving people, but definitely not me, Chioma, because I can never fall for that.
Chioma, me rapist?
Are you anything better than that?
Young man, will you take your miserable body out of here before I tell you that with a slap?
Slap? What is wrong with you? Huh? I've not even disrespected you since I came here. Why will you open your mouth to slap me? Slap me for what? I will talk to you, just slap me. Hey, you're your own fellow man. Listen, respect yourself. It's not even to slap me, one of us will die here.
I don't like insulting strangers. Please, take your body out of here before I call the police or send my boys to bounce on you.
miserable life up here now. Shush! Don't touch me before you infect me with your poverty life. Go!
Let her leave!
I said you should go. Go! Look at the way he's smelling poverty.
Wait, let me ask you. What are you doing with this kind of person?
Me? I can never have anything to do with this thing now. When you're not. No, don't even go there.
You don't need to associate yourself with this
I
kind
am
of
not
person.
associating myself with him. Nothing like that.
Alright, next time I will come and see you. Okay?
Okay. Bye-bye.
Alright, take care.
Ola, what is it that bothers you? You've refused to talk to anyone about it.
If I had taken him to a better hospital, he would have survived it.
What are you talking about?
Who is the young man you went to pay a condolence visit yesterday over his father's death in this village?
Mom, his name is Peter, known as Piccolo.
Piccolo?
Yes, Mom.
Son of the late Onowu. What do you have with him?
Nothing. He's just my friend.
Ola, you returned to this community not up to 1 week and you're already making friends. Ola, not just friends, but male friends. Ola, you're a princess for crying out loud.
So because I'm a princess, I don't have right to choose my friends?
Just pray your father doesn't hear this.
I'm not worried. Won't you spit on me?
Why would I do that?
Why won't you do that? Eh? First it was Uchi. Now a total stranger. Reminding me of my situation.
Brother, calm down. If you keep shouting like this, you will get sick.
You don't get it. It's not like them telling me all these things is even paining me. But the truth is, what they are telling me is a fact. They are not lying. Eh? How long?
Brother, just calm down. You are not God. I believe on the appointed time, God will make a way for you.
I know. But the question is when? Is it when I grow old, when I have grey hairs? Or when my eyes are too weak? Or when I'm walking with a stick? Or when my teeth fall out? When?
Brother, why are you sounding this way? Why?
Chinwe, I am tired. You understand? At this point, I just want to stay and face what I have in front of me. I don't want any sweet talk. What they are saying is the fact. I am tired.
No, tell me now. Or when I begin to walk with a stick? I don't understand. Listen, the truth is the truth. You understand? Let me just be ready and face what I have. There is no sweet talking in this thing. I'm tired.
I feel like I have betrayed the princess.
No, don't say that. You never did.
I did. I shouldn't have told the queen.
Even when your job is at stake in this palace.
I know, but I gave her my word. I promised never to discuss this with anyone until she's ready to tell.
It doesn't really matter, okay? After all, she was going to still tell them, either sooner or later. She wasn't going to keep it to herself forever, you know?
I know. I should have kept my promise. My word should be my bond.
Not why you're still a servant in this palace. Remember, maidens are not allowed to do things on their own. They are being compelled to do it whether they like it or not. So, we are just nothing but maidens in this palace. My sister.
I know, but
what? No but. I think we are done with this discussion.
you did nothing wrong. Simple.
Brother. Brother, what is it? You look so worried.
Uzoma, I'm not happy.
Did anything happen? Okay, why are you not happy? What is it?
The girl I'm in love with, her friend told me she's a prostitute.
Prostitute? Okay, what is this girl's name?
Her friend told me her name is Oge.
And what is this her friend's name?
Chioma. Wait. Wait. Why are you laughing? Do you know them?
Yes, I know them. Oge is not a prostitute. Who doesn't know Oge in this village? Hey. Brother, relax. Just relax your mind. Oge is not a prostitute. She's not. Where is this coming from?
But I have no reason not to believe her friend. She's her friend. She knows her better than any other person in this village.
Brother, Oge is not a prostitute. Is that why you are just moody, angry? You are not. I know now. Brother, don't worry yourself, okay? Oge is a very good girl. Very good girl. Hey now. So, Chioma can go to this extent just to spoil her friend's name. Ha. Brother, so, are you okay now? You are happy?
No, my daughter. Everything is wrong with being just friends with him.
And what could that be, Father? I don't understand. I just said that we are only friends. Just friends.
Really? Just friends, you said? But you mourned his father like a father-in-law. Many marriages today started with just friends, as you put it. And that is what we are trying to prevent here. You don't keep a goat in charge of a tuber of yam. Wokuna why? He went wrong. What I go?
My sister, you see that poor village tout? He's not the right man for you. I mean, what does he have to offer you? You're a princess for crying out loud.
This family, despite being a real family, still sustains a little version of everything. When you gained scholarship to study overseas, we are happy, hoping that when you come back, you will secure a good job and help this family become more ready. Even if you don't secure a job, with your beauty, you will attract a very young man who would help me check off the last trace of poverty in my family. But here you are, running after a poor village tout. I tell you, it is practically unacceptable.
Oh, your plans were to sell me out for money.
If that is what you call it, so be it. I don't want to see you around that boy again. Never.
Brother, is everything alright?
Yes, everything is fine. Don't mind. Let's just go back.
Brother, it is obvious that everything is not fine. I know you're worried about what happened earlier on today. Stop forcing yourself because you cannot concentrate. It's fine, let's go back home.
Why are you kneeling before me?
I am so sorry, my princess. I should have kept my promise, but I do not want to lose my job, and she threatened me with it. If I did not speak the truth, I don't know what would have happened.
Ugo, it's okay. Don't be too hard on yourself. You're only a maid, and the queen can always command you to do things against your will, okay?
I know, my princess. You trust and like me, and that is why you never hid your feelings for him from me. I should have paid you back your trust in a better way, not betraying you.
You still have so many things to pay me back with in future, not with your job. So try to forgive yourself, it's okay.
I feel guilty, I still feel guilty.
Okay, fine. I think this will make you feel better. The secret wasn't going to last forever, you know. I was about letting the cat out of the bag to my sister, whom I know will surely tell mom, before she walked in. So you see, everything is exposed. Okay? Just try and forgive yourself.
Thank you.
Don't be too hard on yourself. It's okay, you can go.
Thank you, my princess.
Just get me a glass of juice, okay?
Thank you, my princess.
What is the meaning of this? What kind of expensive joke is this? Are you not? Oh, expensive joke, okay? No problem. I want to ask you, what did you tell my brother concerning Ogi? Your brother. Wait. Is Chima your brother? Mba, he is my father. Is that why you're shouting? Are we no longer friends? You're my friend now. Calm down. Okay, you know what? Yes, just come, let me buy you something that we discuss. Come. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I don't need anything from you. You are not my friend. You are not. See, Chioma, you know that I know you. You know Abi. See, let me warn you. Stay away from my brother. My brother is looking for a wife material. Not just any woman. Stay away from him, oh. Chioma, I will not warn you again. I will not. Hey! Who are you going to Uche, are you stupid? Is your brother you're talking to like that? Are you stupid? What is your problem?
I don't have a problem! She's a shout, let's shout! You should be telling brother this, not me, Uche. Eh? Mother, how old are you? Are your mates not doing better than you are? Oh, you think Papa loved you? Because he was calling you my son while he was alive. Papa was highly disappointed at you. You are a disgrace to this family. Big disgrace. Look at you. Papa sold all he had to send you to school. What could you afford? Common money to send Papa to hospital. It's little amount to send him to hospital. You couldn't take him to a better hospital and he died out of our debt, poverty. You are a shame! Shame on you!
Will you shut your mouth before I shout it for you? Will you shut your mouth?
It's alright. Let it be. It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. Uche, you speak to me in this manner. Chinwe, pick up your basket. Let it be. Let's go. Chinwe, I said pick up your basket.
No, people should come back. Come and talk to me. That will Lord dust you. Just you know what scatter you people. Diala. Disturbing my sleep.
Now that we have concluded the burial of our father, we want to say thank God. At least we're able to bury him the best way we could. So we give glory to God. So I called this meeting just to let both of you know that I have decided to go to the city.
Good. Very, very good. This is exactly what I have been expecting from you long time ago.
Uche, would you shut that in the corner? Brother is still talking.
Uche, respect yourself. You see where I started this meeting in a very, very calm manner because I do not want to shout. And by that I mean I don't want the neighbors to hear my voice. You're my key brother. The last born. Yes. That doesn't mean you should start acting like a baby. I have seen some family where the last born is doing better than the first born.
Brother Bigoro, this is my problem with you. This is my major problem with you. Okay, are you now trying to push your responsibilities to me simply because you have failed in all of them? One minute.
I don't want this meeting to end in a fight. I will beat you mercilessly if you don't watch your mouth. Like I said, I do not want anybody to hear my voice. Respect yourself. I was trying to say... Let me go back to what I was trying to say before I was rudely interrupted. I am going to the city. I want you, Uche, to take up the responsibility as the man of the house. I don't want to hear any problem. I want you to respect yourself and do the needful.
Let me remove that stupid as if it's not there. On the other side, you can trust me now. Trust me, your blood, Uche, stay in listen as something goes wrong. It's not possible. I can fight. Anybody that only thing is, I can fight for this family, protect this family, and protect my sister.
See what you were talking like a baby. Eh? That's how I will go to the city and come back and meet your cubs. I have good news for you. The people that will kill you, I will not even report them to the police, or not more of even fighting them. Because you're a very stupid boy.
I'm one of the house. Once you leave, you become my subject. You stay in there, I'll lock you down and go out. It's man of the house.
Mom, where is Dad? I haven't seen him since morning.
He went to the King's meeting. He should be on his way back.
Sorry, I forgot.
How would you remember when you are...
Mom, what is the meaning of this? What sort of wickedness is this? What kind of inhuman treatment is this? How can you conspire with Dad to lock me up in my own father's house? What is going on?
until you come back to your normal senses.
What? Oh, now I understand it. You should have told me that my coming back to Nigeria is to be a prisoner in my own father's house. What is going on, Mom?
You brought this upon yourself. So why are you complaining?
Okay, now I understand it. Mom, I give you 3 days. I give you and Dad 3 days. 3 days to give me back my freedom. Or I will do something you and Dad will live to regret. Mark my words.
Are you sure she's okay?
You can say that again.
I want to say thank you to you. Thank you for your trust towards my father's care. God bless you.
Hi, that friends for my brother.
Please, not by that one. It's not every friend that we help. I came to you one time, you just helped me. Man, really, I really appreciate it. And I owe you one. God will bless you. Meanwhile, I am thinking of going to the city. City? Yes. To do what? My brother, for how long will I continue to be like this? Let me go and hustle. I will do anything that is available for me. Let me just, I'm a man, I will survive.
I see, before you leave to the city, just try and tell me so I will arrange your transport.
Hi! No, I am still saying thank you for the one that you have done. You want to do another one again?
Yes, because you're a good friend.
Thank you, my brother. God will bless you. Thank you. Hi! Techno.
Let me be going now.
Okay, no problem. Techno! Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi.
Yo, Your Highness. I have waited patiently for this day to come. And now that the invalid Ono is gone and gone forever, no one can stop me from actualizing my ambition. Chee!
Papilo, I want to ask you a question.
And what could that be, Your Highness?
Do you have a hand in the death of Ono?
Your Highness, you didn't just ask me that, did you? I can't involve myself in such frivolities, such barbaric act. If I have to kill, I kill by myself with my gun. And I look for a big fish, not a pauper like him.
Well, I asked you the question because from the way you gloat over his death, it's puzzling.
Of course I'm happy he's dead and gone, because his existence was a stumbling block in me actualizing my ambition.
Well, my advice to you is mind the way you go about it. Be careful. It's your ambition, yes, I agree. But mind the way you present it before the cabinet meeting to avoid suspicion.
That's my homie talking. That's my nigga talking. You're the man. My Highness. Your Highness that knows what time it is. Your Highness that knows how to press the button. Your Highness that got all the connections.
All is well, my sister, but something troubles me.
And what could that be? Can you share it with me?
It's Oge. She's not dancing to my tune.
Oge again? But I told you I'm going to talk to her.
Oh, you have not done that. And I have few days to spend in this village.
Okay, you know what? I'm going to talk to her before the week runs out. And I promise you, I will convince her.
I will appreciate it if you do that for me.
Anything for you. You're my brother. I can do anything for you.
That's why I love
you. Igwe, what about the meeting you attended? I hope it was successful.
Oh yes, it was. We mainly discussed
the development of every community in the state. And we succeeded in creating a 5-man panel and appointed 5 kings from every community in the state that will be meeting with the state governor next weekend.
Igwe, that is a very welcome development. That was very good. In fact, the governor should strive to develop our communities, especially this our community, because of the abundant resources we have here. Mazion, what do you think?
Exactly. Igwe, I hope he will give the panel a listening ear.
He has no reason not to. All we do is we keep our arms folded, hoping for the best. Hopefully, he will come to our aid.
Yes,
Hey, Choma. Angie, baby na Gakwa. Where are you going to? My friend, because I know you.
You rather die than stay at a place, oh. Is it my fault? Is it my fault? Would you blame me? Not at all. You know it's in my nature to be moving around. As a fine girl that I am. Okay, since moving about is in your nature, I will never blame you. But where are you moving to this time around? Where are you going to? I was actually coming to your place. My place? Yes. I hope all is well. All was well until I saw that idiot, Chim. Chima. Who is Chima? Have you forgotten so soon? That idiot, that useless Chima. That guy that saw us the other day on the road and stopped us and was talking rubbish because he has a car. That guy now that has a car now that was talking rubbish the other day now. Have you forgotten? Oh! That one? Yes. So what happened to him? Thank you. I never knew that guy is a chronic womanizer. You wouldn't believe what he said to me. That idiot had the guts to stop me, Muabu Chioma, and was begging me to sleep with him. That he likes me. Can you imagine? I have suffered. But I told you this earlier. But he didn't see anything wrong in him. Oh. It's not my fault. I did not know. I never knew that he was this irresponsible. I thought he's a matured guy, that he's responsible. I don't know. He's a humanizer. I don't know. God will punish him. Amen. God will punish him. Amen. You think he can manipulate us because he has a car? Can you imagine? So now that you know, I cannot have peace without you pressurizing me to consider if you try it. If you try it, don't even try it though. Because if you do, I will unfriend you. Please don't though, because I'm not trying. How can you go and accept that irresponsible goat? He goat. He wants to come and.
And what's the meaning of that shit?
Obiakwa. Every time shit man. One day you go sign that shit. And if you don't, you have wine.
Why can't you guys just wake up and smell some Colombian coffee? Do we have to just go around the circle over the same topic? Let's move into something better, because we got a whole lot to talk about here.
Yeah, Papilo, here is royal house and not a toilet. Huh? So if you know you shit anywhere around, better go and pack it. Huh?
Man, you my friend. But when I look at you now, you know what I see? A dumb ass, a moron, a pimp, magnanimous pimp. That's what you are. The man that used to be your know is long dead and buried. And you're here talking about Igwe's meetings and discussions instead of talking about how to make me your know of this community.
Yeah, Papi, are you a wizard?
And what is that supposed to mean?
What is what supposed to mean? To make you the know. We're still mourning the demise of our late know, who was just recently buried. And Papilo here is here clamoring shamelessly for the position of Ono.
Man, I just realized that common sense ain't even common at all. Can't you just get it? The dead is dead. Let the dead bury the dead and let the living keep living till infinity, dumbass. Chee!
You were in a bomb. Dumbass.
Nation, I think it is all for today.
Huh? You go here.
Your Highness, that was very unfair. I am your friend, your buddy. So you got to stick with me every step of the way, no matter the situation. So how could you just dismiss such a sensitive case like that? Think about it, man. It didn't make any sense to me.
Papilo, do you remember me telling you how to go about this presentation?
Of course, Your Highness, I remember. Which way was the better way to present it? I tried my best.
Your best is awful. Sorry to tell you this. You possess little or no leadership qualities. Your presentation is 0%. When you lack leadership qualities and manner of presentation, tell me, how do you lead?
Your Highness, are you in any way trying to tell me that you're not going to endorse me again for the Ono?
Well, I did not say so. I'll try my best to see how I can make you my Ono and still manage you the way I'm managing you now.
Manage me? Your Highness, that's an insult, dude. But you know what? I refuse to get angry. Just make sure you keep to your words. Let your word be your bond. I do appreciate everything. I gotta go now. You know what I mean? Have a wonderful day. Cheers! Hi! Cheers!
I don't know when work here. Eh? We know when I care the year on it. Oh yeah, daily.
Madam, you sent for me and what we going to become.
As you know that the Onowu of this our community died.
Yes, a few weeks ago.
Now the position of Onowu, that exalted position of Onowu is up for grabs. Now, Papilo is the favorite contender. They might give it to him because he's a friend of the Igwe. Chimanwa. I want that position.
Papa, your son is the only rich man in this community. Yes. So the Ojodi Compagnon still remains that whatever you want, you will get it.
I trust you.
Even if you want to become the king, Father, I will make you the king. You know I can do it.
I don't want to be the king. I just want to be the Ono.
Just Ono. Consider it done. That is the Ojodi Compagnon at this account. I will make you the king. Don't worry yourself. That's why you are still outside. Since you have met, once I welcome you, that is the Ojodi Compagnon at this account. I will give you. Let's go inside. No, punch it. I got on my point now. I will punch in money into the account.
Woman, why not? We talk about it in the bedroom. Or better still, wait tomorrow. We'll resolve whatever is bothering you.
No, my lord. Tomorrow will be too late.
So what is it?
It's about the princess.
I'm scared of her threats earlier on today. She might do something stupid.
She will not do anything stupid. It's a mere threat. So relax.
Don't say it's a mere threat. Have you forgotten she stayed long abroad? And she may have adopted their mentality and way of behavior.
Whatever it is, I assure you I will resolve it tomorrow.
Are you sure?
Yes. Are you okay now?
I feel better now.
So, can we go to the bedroom?
Why not?
Hey. Stop. I remember you. You are the poverty I had encounter with a few days ago. So where are you taking your miserable body to?
Are you normal? Eh? I mean, it's very obvious to me that you just learnt that English. They just teach you that one now from Togo. Yeah, I can't tell it. Listen, respect yourself. You don't have better things to tell me. Just leave me, let me move. Wait.
Are you referring to me? Do you want me to arrest you?
Arrest me for what? As what now? Eh? Listen, for your information, the only thing when you get past me na money. Not only money be the thing when you get pay past me. Outside that one, everything at normal level. If you come down from this car, I'll mess you up. I'll teach you a lesson you never forget. Which kind of rubbish you are? Respect yourself. Oh.
Wait. Are you threatening me? Do you want me to prosecute you?
Prosecute me for what? Eh? If I had persecution, I ain't gonna kill you for there. This man, you're very stupid though.
I can see that poverty has eaten you up. I can see you are carrying back. You are taking your miserable life away from this community.
Your father. I see your father. No go better for you. Rubbish. Try me next time. You saw that.
Where are you coming from? Eh? And what are you doing with those plantains in your hand?
Baba, where I got them doesn't matter. What matters is where the plantain will enter.
Just take a good look at yourself. A common criminal. Your mates robbed with machine guns, AK-47. Here you are sneaking around houses, stealing tubers of yam, fowl, cassava, goats, and now plantain. Back in the States, we waste people like you.
Papa, let me tell you, what do you achieve? Nothing. Papa, let me tell you, I heard that you are going for the you will not smell the seeds. Do you know why? So you don't have money.
And what is there to have money? If that is the case, then I will dispose one or two of my lands and raise money for the campaign. Man!
So, Papa, which land? Don't forget that I'm your only son. And those land belongs to me.
You're nothing but a stupid son. You must buy land and erect skyscrapers, build duplexes for their family. And here you are dragging over my own portion of land. Criminal.
How many houses do you build? Eh? Papa, let me not see your foot in that land.
Thief.
I'm not taking it to you. I'm bad thief. I'm not taking it. I want to use back. That's the way. I want to use back. I want to use back.
So, Igwe, that is why we're here, my son and I.
Mazo Lisa, what you are asking of me is a very difficult task. You see, my friend Papilo is also interested in the same position. And you know, I cannot just consider you without. No, very difficult.
I'm not interested in your relationship with Papilo. My concern is that my father is interested in that position. Yes. Igwe, asina ogonogo kwadrono kambode. Yes. Duojodi compagnon at this time is that I want to punch in 2 million into your account. Yes.
2 million guinea?
Yes. I want to punch in 2 million into your account for my father. Ichizie you know.
What's all this? You see, this your son has grown into a very big boy, handsome. If you look at him very well, he looks more like I don't know whose son.
That is Jodi compagnon. That is Jodi compagnon.
He fits into the shoes of oh no whose son.
My son said he will. Aujourd'hui comprehend 2 million. In Chinese, it means cheap. You will receive a lot. Phone go ya be ping. That is an alert.
There is no problem at all. You see, once I receive a lot, I will do the needful.
Give me your account number now. Let me punch in the money into your account.
Let them get me my phone.
Yes, Your Highness.
Igwe. Get right here. In Igbo it means sefa. In Chinese it means chipwa. That's an alert.
Igwe, Jodi compagnon, please give me your account number. Let me punch in 2 million into your account. That is Jodi compagnon.
I can do very well. Rap go to Jodi, Yana compagnon. Alert, but once I get alert, your father is as good as one of you. Behind this boy, has the alert, has it entered?
Igwe.
Please stop crying, okay? Please. I don't like seeing you like this. Please, you're hurting me. Please.
Hola, what is this? Why are you crying? I thought father already granted you the permission to leave the palace.
He has already left the community.
Who are you talking about?
Piccolo.
So, father never wanted you to go see him. He only granted you the freedom, which is what you wanted.
So, what is the essence of giving me the freedom? We has already left the community. Tell me.
Ola. So all those threats, all those vibrations was because of a mere poor village champion. Really? So you left all you were doing abroad. You came back from the US just to stoop so low to a commoner.
Adeze, true love knows no poor nor rich. I'm not even expecting you to understand that.
Love? I thought you said you two were just friends.
Yes, but the truth is that I love him.
I'm so disappointed in you! How could you? Knowing you're a princess!
I love him.
Thank God he left! Else I would have buried him alive! What a sister you are! Rubbish!
She's always full of herself. I don't blame her. She don't know what is not love.
Stop crying. Wipe your tears. Kolo is not dead. He only traveled and will soon be back. Please. Please, my princess. Bikono. Please. Okay?
What kind of nonsense is this? How can one person be so useless that he combines all the negativity on himself? Hi! One man is a thief, a humanizer, an illiterate graduate, a a clown, a village champion. Wait.
I hope it's not my brother Tekno that you're referring to.
Who else? Who else? Combine all those qualities going on in this village. You know, it is no other person but our brother.
Let me warn you. Mind what you say, because if he hears this from your mouth, you know how your face will look like for some weeks, right?
What else can he do? What else? If not to fight, fight and fight.
I'm here to deliver a message from the king. He demands to see your father at once at the palace. Is he around?
No, he went out hours ago.
Alright, very well then. Be kind enough to deliver the message across to him when he returns.
Okay, we will.
Okay, please, why not give my brother a chance? Do you know that your brother is so arrogant?
No woman is perfect to you. Everybody has flaws.
Yes, I agree with you. No human is perfect. But that doesn't mean I should necessarily take rubbish from him. He has to change himself first.
But you can change him, you know. When you both work together.
Change who? Please, I don't have time to build. The one I tried building in the past collapsed. Moreover, if I have to build, where do I start from? Is it from his rude approach, arrogancy, or womanizing?
Yes, you can say he's rude and arrogant. But my brother is not a womanizer. No, he's not.
Can you swear for him? I asked, can you swear for him? When he's asking my friend out at the same time. He's asking my friend Choma out at the same time.
Was that what Choma told you? Okay.
Papilo, I sent for you because something cropped up and I need to let you know.
Your Highness, let's hear it, man.
Well, what I am going to tell you now may not sound palatable to your ears, but I must say it. Onye biku keunenso. I am the Igwe of this kingdom. And whatever I say stands. In 14 days' time, I will crown Olise. Do you know?
Your Highness, you ain't joking, are you? Or you just pulling my legs? Your Highness, tell me you ain't joking.
Do I look like a joker to you?
So you rather betray our friendship? Chee! Your Highness, chee! Chee! Your Highness, chee!
Thank God I'm seeing you here. You bloody betrayer! You betrayed me! You, my best friend, betrayed me!
Okay. Why are you barking like a dog? What's happening? Betrayed you? Me? How?
You lied to me! You lied to me, Choma, that Chima approached you, whereas you were the one who approached him and even said ill things about me. You even called me a prostitute, Choma. Me! A prostitute, Choma! And so what? Are you not one? Yes! Choma, are you not a prostitute in disguise of a Miriam skirt and blouse? Are you not? Are you not? Oh, wait. You think you can deceive me with this your pretentious, innocent look? You can do that for others, but you see me. You can never deceive me because I know you too well. Rubbish. Choma, you even have the guts to say it to my face. You You have the guts to say to my face that I'm a prostitute. You even call me a prostitute in my very before. Thank God the whole villagers knows who is the chief prostitute between you and I. You that's been sleeping with different men under the tree, in a bush, and even in an uncompleted building. You are here calling me a prostitute. You! Is that all you know? Anyway, I have good news for you. Check me out. Check me out how tall I am. Check me out. With my boobs. With my ass. Check me out now. Check me out. So you see? You see all of this? You see all of this? Anyway, the good news is that you can have Chima all to yourself. Okay? Because he is not my kind of man, you know?
My dear friend, I should check you out.
Check me out.
I'm done checking you out. And all I see is one useless fat fool. Hey. That is what I'm seeing right now.
I didn't hear you say it again.
I say it. But let me tell you something. That thing you said earlier, in as much as I welcome the good news, don't try it again.
Or what will happen?
Oh, what will happen? You're asking me what will happen?
What will happen? What will happen?
What will happen?
What will happen? What will happen? What will happen? What will happen? You're not doing anything, my friend. You're not doing anything. You're not doing anything. You're not doing anything. You're not doing anything.
Me, Papilo! The king of the pillows! That is moron elders and their king insulted me, playing with my intelligence.
Papa, don't worry. What happened like fellas today?
Is it not those morons that call themselves elders insulted my personality, including the king?
Calm down and explain to me. Who are those morons? Who are these elders?
The king just withdrew his support for me to become the Ono.
What? Right. I thought he's your friend.
No, he's not. He's a betrayer. He's a fair weather friend. And I'm going to make him pay for this. I swear. He's going to pay for this, man.
Calm down. Take it easy on yourself.
Hush puppy no be kind nemo, na money. He depend this town radio with him money. Money no dey hide at all, oh. Na money. The more you look, the less you see, oh. Too much money. The more you look, the less you see, oh. Too much money. Money, money, I go do you like puppy. Money, money, I go throw you like water. I go drop you for ground, I go match you like carpet. Money, you suffer me, you suffer me. Now block will come, wetin I go do with money? Money, money, too much, yeah. Hush puppy, money, money. Hush puppy, too much money.
What's Zeke doing out?
My lord, relax. She will soon be here. I sent a nurse to call her.
She's coming, Your Highness.
What is that? That is sent for me. Yes, sit down. Your father and I want to talk to you.
Okay.
I can't believe what my eyes just saw.
And what did your eyes see?
I don't know. But what I know for sure is that something big is about to happen in this community. Something I've never witnessed before.
And what could that be?
On my way back, I saw cars. Very expensive cars. They were on a convoy. From what I learned, they just entered this community today.
Are you sure of what you've just said?
Father, I'm very sure.
If this is true, then something is on the air. If this is an opportunity, it must never pass me by. If it is a blessing that has just entered this village, I think I'm the rightful person to tap from it. Yes. Come, okay? Go into the village, make inquiries, find out which compound those cars entered. Then ask where they were coming from. Then the owner of those cars, and you report back to me.
Yes, sir. My lord, you don't want to carry last.
What's keeping him? What's keeping the guard?
And why are you so anxious?
You're saying this because you're not the one that saw those cars.
Your Majesty.
Were you able to find out the owners of those cars?
Yes, Your Majesty.
So, who is the owner?
Piccolo.
Piccolo?
Yes, Your Majesty.
The son of former Onowu? The late Onowu?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Hey! Piccolo.
Piccolo? But he was born just 2 years ago.
Hush puppy no be kind nemo, na money. He depend this town radio with him money. Money no dey hide at all, oh. Na money. The more you look, the less you see, oh. Too much money. The more you look, the less you see, oh. Too much money. Money, money, I go do you like puppy. Money, money, I go throw you like water. I go drop you for ground, I go match you like carpet. Money, you suffer me, you suffer me. Now block will come, wetin I go do with money? Money, money too much, yeah. Hush puppy, money, money. Hush puppy, too much money. See money, money they rain like water. See money, money they pump like air. Wetin I go use you do with your money? Wetin I go use you do with your money? You insult me, you make me suffer money. I go make them yes say hush puppy don't enter. I go make them no say hush puppy don't hammer. Everywhere I go, people go they shout my name. Hush puppy, Udogu, hush puppy don't enter. Udogu, Udogu, everywhere they shake. Hush puppy no be kind nemo, na money. He depend this town radio with him money. Money no dey hide at all, oh. Na money. The more you look, the less you see, oh. Too much money. The more you look, the less you see, oh. Too much money. Money, money, I go do you like puppy. Money, money, I go throw you like water. I go drop you for ground, I go match you like carpet. Money, you suffer me, suffer me. Now block will come, wetin I go do with money? Money, money too much, yeah. Hush puppy, money, money. Hush puppy, too much money. See money, money they rain like water. See money, money they pump like air. Wetin I go use you do with your money? Wetin I go use you do with your money? You insult me, you make me suffer money. I go make them yes say hush puppy don't enter. know say hush puppy don't hammer. Everywhere I go, people go they shout my name. Hush puppy, yeah. Hush puppy don't enter. Udo, Udo, everywhere is shake.
Go now, say my name. When I say horse, you say puppy. Horse, say horse, you say puppy. Horse, say my name. Somebody scream my name. Somebody say my name. Somebody say my name. Somebody shout my name. And the rest of me scream my name.
With money, money no they hide at all. The money, the more you look, the less you see. Too much money, the more you look, the less you see.
I got it.
Yes, I did. Am I right?
But you went to market.
All right.
Papa.
Yeah. Who is after you?
Where did you guys get that money from? Papa, Piccolo is back in our community. And so, is that supposed to be news or what? Does that explain why you came back with so much money?
It explains it all. Because everyone who walked through Obio's path this afternoon got nothing less than what we have here. They're not even fortunate. I mean, we are unfortunate to have joined them late. Tell them!
You girls joined late and came back with this money. That should explain to you the amount of money that was thrown in the air today.
Wait. Let me get something right. You mean Piccolo, the wretched son of the late Onowu, gave you all this money?
Bam, Papa, for your information, his name is no more Piccolo. He's now known as Poppy.
That is a lie. It can't be true.
Papa, he now has new name. No more. It's now Hush Poppy. Yes.
Hush Poppy no be kind of no money. He depend this town radio with the money. Money no they hide at all. The money, the more you look, the less you see.
You hear everything.
Oh, my friend.
You see everything. With these little ears. So tell me.
But, you know, This is my plan.
My princess. This is mother.
Here you are. I was even looking for you inside. I didn't know you were here.
Have you heard about what?
Your love is back to this village.
My love? Who is my love?
Piccolo, of course. Son of the late Onowu. He's back in town.
Please, Mom. I'm not a gold digger.
And who said you are one?
Mom, you are making me to look like one.
What is your reason?
Money, I go do you like puppy. Money, I go throw you like water.
Mama, you sent for me.
Yes, I did. Chin, is it a crime
to have you as a son.
Mama, what have I done this time?
Everything. When you give money to me, it becomes my own. When you ask me to give you the money back, it becomes borrow. So, you borrow the money from me.
So, Mama, it's now a crime for me to give money to my mother to keep for me?
Hi. Shame on you. Other of your mates, when they give their parent money, do they used to collect it back? Give me money now, I need to buy some things. Give me back my money.
Mama, hey! Mama! Brother, hey! Mama, this is not important though. It's everywhere. I will confirm it though. Piccolo, the son of late Mazie Loka, is back in the community with the kind of money no one has ever seen. Oh, hey!
Wait. Which Piccolo are you talking about?
Brother, the Piccolo that you know now, if you see his cars, they were lining up as people were following him up and down. Hey! Brother, that is not all. He even came back with a new name. HP Money. HP Money.
Wait, what is the meaning of HP Money?
Brother, Hush Puppy Money. Hey! You see? Look at you. Brother, we see cars. If you see the way people were following him, I saw something today. Hey! Brother, Hush Puppy Money. HP Money. Hey!
Hush puppy no be kind nemo, na money. He depend this town radio with him money. Money no dey hide at all. Oh, na money. The more you look, the less you see. Oh, too much money. The more you look, the less you see. Oh, too much money. Money, I go do you like puppy. Money, I go throw you like water. I go drop you for ground, I go match you like carpet. Money, you suffer me. You suffer me. Na block will come. Waiting, I go
Papa.
do with money.
Papa, you look worried. Ever since brother left with his friend Piccolo, what happened?
I have an imbecile, a moron as a son.
Papa, I don't understand.
Instead of your brother to see Piccolo's success as a challenge, he is busy praising him, following him all over the village as Otimbo.
But Papa, I don't know why you have a problem with this. My brother Techno is not a wizard. He's supposed to rejoice over his friend's success.
And remain a pauper for the rest of his life.
Who knows? Piccolo and my brother have come a long way. He might help him.
Which help? Why didn't he take your brother Abinishu to the city so that they can both make it together and come back in this village wealthy?
Money no dey hide at all. Oh, na money. The more you look, the less you see. Oh, too much money. The more you look, the less you see. Oh, too much money. Hush puppy no be kind nemo, na money. He depend this town radio with him money. Money no dey hide at all. Oh, na money. The more you look, the less you see. Oh, too much money. The more you look, the less you see.
Are you that rich?
Too much money.
Please, Ezine, please, I beg you in God's name, just leave me alone, Biko. Leave me alone, you will not understand.
Okay, now make me to understand.
Ezine, do you know that Piccolo has been pleading with me to be his girlfriend? Name a guy. Now look at me. Just imagine. I have lost my lifetime opportunity.
You're a loser.
A very big loser. A very big loser.
Sorry, but you know what? You can still go and apologize to him. I believe he will accept you back.
No, don't even go there. Don't even go there. If I go and meet him now, he will see me as a gold digger.
Doesn't matter what he sees you as. The most important thing is that he accepts you. You know he loves you.
Do you think so?
Yes.
It's alright, I'll go because I'm the one that's supposed to be sitting in that front seat. Oh, in his front seat, in his car front seat, I'm the one that's supposed to be sitting there. No other girl.
Sorry, oh. I'll go and sorry, oh. Let me see the money. Is it plenty? Plenty money. See. We picked. At the time, I become tired of picking.
What my be no be kind of no money. It depend this time radio with the money. Money no they hide at all. No money. The more you look, the less you see. Too much money. The more you look, the less you see.
Have you heard? Us coffee just hit the building. Take it. Swag again, us coffee in the building. Have you heard? It's supposed to be money. Swag again. Too much left. Swag again. Hey. Swag again. When the swag is crying. Swag. Have you heard? Swag again. Buckle. You a swag. Swag again.
I've just seen a walking bag of money. Looking like
Hey, girl. Too much swag. Too much money, girl.
Have you heard?
Jesus.
You have been the one building this heaven on earth. That everyone asking,
Yes. And I've been doing that for a couple of years. I just want to come and advice to my
I'm confused. No, what kind of money did you make?
Oh my God, it is called desho.
Why, girl?
Hush puppy.
Hush puppy money.
Listen. Let's go.
Swag again. Swag again.
Hush puppy money.
Hush puppy money. Hush puppy money. Hush puppy money. Hush puppy money. Swag again. Hush puppy money. Swag again. Go inside. Swag again. Hush puppy brother. Hush puppy brother. Hush puppy brother.
My opinion is money is money. You people should not allow negativity to becloud your sense of reasoning.
But wait, where was God when he was feeding from hand to mouth?
Ebube.
He has been there. You just said it yourself. Piccolo has been in this village. Probably his fortune did not lie here. So immediately he left to the city. He found himself. So I see no reason you should be condemning him. Seriously. Ebube, stop deceiving yourself with poverty. Stop deceiving yourself with poverty.
Hey, I won't say it again. Leave him.
Girl, everybody has their own opinion. So am I. So let's leave it there.
Ihe niile nlele n'ụwa dị m n'afọ. Ihe niile nlele n'ụwa dị m n'afọ. Mkpọbi dị m n'afọ. Ọka dị m n'afọ. Aga m atanyela ya mkpọbi. Abọnụ m abọnụ mkpọ. Papa, ihe niile nlele n'ụwa dị m n'afọ. Ihe niile nlele n'ụwa dị m n'afọ. Mkpọbi dị m n'afọ. Isi ewu dị m n'afọ. Aga m atanyela ya azụ. Abọnụ m abọnụ mkpọ.
Will you stop showing your swag? Because first of all, you know you don't have money. You are poor. You are uneducated. You don't have level. No pedigree. And you're here raising your shoulders. Just put it down, man.
Papa, let me tell you. Only I name Adrian Miami again. Quite in a wall. Wow.
You are nothing but a loser. Where are you coming from?
Of course, from Piccolo's Castle, aka Hush Puppy. Hush Puppy money. Dubai money.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Eh? Did you just hear yourself? You are happy that you are following a man who came back with lots of money. Can't you ever challenge yourself, idiot? I sent you to the same school with him. Now you don't want to be like him. Go and make money. Instead, you're following him like a fly all over the place. Ochimbu.
See, Papa, how powerful on each other. If you finish eating, better go and answer Hush Puppy so that he will dash you money the way he used to dash me.
What did I go do with money? Money too much, yeah. Hush puppy, money. Hush puppy, too much money. See money, they rain like water. See money.
Mama, this soup is going to be very sweet.
Trust your mother now.
You are very good
as usual. Hey.
Welcome. Hey, come here. Come here, look at you. How is good? Sit down. Sit.
It's fine. Thank God.
You guys are looking so beautiful.
I'm telling you.
Look at you. You're looking so beautiful. Looking so fat.
Don't mind her. She has finished all my food in this house. Okay, now you are welcome. Go in, freshen up, and change while we prepare this soup.
Mama, you are so good. You guys are looking so classy. Thank you.
The reason I called all of you together, yeah? Why did you people come back from school? Are you on holiday? And when I asked you, you told me your mother asked you to come back.
Yes, Mama sent for us to come.
A great asset is up for grabs in this village. And I want my daughters to be part of it. I want them to be part of the fight.
Mama, if I may ask, what assets are you talking about?
Hush puppy!
And how is Piccolo an asset? And what does it have to do with what we are discussing here?
If you people are not smart, let me tell you. Hush Puppy is back in this village and his #1 agenda is to marry. So, I want him to see my beautiful daughters. If you do not show your stock to the buyer will not buy what he or she did not see.
Mama, can you listen to yourself? Can you hear yourself talk?
I am not deaf. Yes, I am not.
Okay, I think I agree with your mother.
Papa!
Papa, even you?
Why won't he support me? You have money. I am not disputing, no. But Hush Puppy's money is long.
Mama, can you listen to yourself? Can you hear yourself talk?
I am not deaf.
I want my daughters to marry Hush Puppy. Hi.
I cannot sit back here and watch you insult me. Enough!
Brother, Chima.
Let him go!
Mama, this is not
Let him go!
Okay.
Mama, this is not
Shut up! Let him go on.
Betrayal here!
Mama.
Dad, you people should just leave me alone. You never wanted me around him, so what happened now?
That's because he was poor then.
Oh, so now that he's rich, I should start running after him. So he'll start seeing me as a gold digger, right?
But both of you were lovers even before he became rich.
So it disappoints you, Dad. You locked me away from him before he traveled. And that strained our relationship. And I abandoned him when he needed me the most. Oh. I'm so ashamed of you. It's too late now. Excuse me, Dad.
Dear princess, you must find a way to convince your sister. She must marry that young man.
It's okay, Dad. Not to worry yourself. I'll try and talk to her. Hola.
Please, I'm sorry. Quiet. Set your mind. Few years ago, you insulted me. You called me names just because I was poor. Now, fast forward. Today, I am Hush Puppy.
Hush Puppy.
My money long.
The walking back.
So, what does that tell you? Eh?
I never did.
A madman. Listen, all this you're begging will not save you from the calamity that is about to fall on you.
Have you heard?
I want to teach you a lesson. So in your next word, you know how to be loyal and respectful. Can you imagine? When I left this village, you was rolling with your weak car. And I'm back. And you're still rolling with your weak car. That means you're not even moving forward. You have failed. Dada.
Hotch puppy money.
Dada.
Hotch puppy money.
Dada.
Hotch money.
Humble this man.
Child.
Make him feel all small. Hey. Give him small thing. Massage him.
Hey!
You don't know Dada. If I leave him, he go finish you. You insulted me. No problem. Now get out. Get out. Out of here. Come here.
Hush puppy no be kind mo. Na money. Independence and radio with the money. Money no they hide at all. Oh. The money. The more you look, the less you see. Oh. Too much money. The more you look, the less you see. Oh. Too much money. Money. I go throw you like puppy. Money. I go throw you like water. I go drop you for ground. I go match you like carpet. Money you suffer me.
Hot puppy money. Hot puppy money. Hot money. Hot puppy money. That is hot puppy money. Hot puppy money.
Oh my God. What?
Wetin I go use you do with your money? You insult me, you make me suffer money. I go make them ya say, hush puppy don't enter. I go make them ya say, hush puppy don't enter.
Where are you going that you dress this way? Eh?
If you are deaf, are you blind also? Are you not aware of Hush Puppy's presence in this community?
And then, is that why you dress this way, Njideka? No, is that why you dress this way?
If you don't know, let me tell you. Hush Puppy is still single and maybe searching. And it might be someone else or me. That is why I said let me look attractive for him to see me.
Can you hear yourself? No, can you hear yourself? A married woman
Do you want to remarry? Why still in marriage? Hey!
Take a good look at yourself. No, I said take a good look at yourself.
I have looked at myself. What happened?
Are you alive? Hey. I say, are you alive? So, if people that are alive come out, then you join them. Come on, get out from my front. Nonsense.
Something is really wrong. Something is really wrong with this woman. A married woman. In fact, you will hear from the Igbe's palace. This is what wrong. Hey!
Hey! So, what type of drink do I offer you?
Igwe, you're funny. Igwe, you cannot give me the kind of drink that I would like. Yes, with all due respect, the kind of drink that I drink, you can't find it in your palace. Oh. Not possible.
Igwe, this is hush puppy we're talking about.
Hey. Thank you, my son. Thank you for your understanding. I hope there is no problem.
Problem? Igwe, you will not kill me with laugh. You know, I have not even experienced any problem since I became a hush puppy. Yes, because I have too much money, long money. And the only thing money cannot solve, too much money will solve it.
What?
Igwe, have you heard?
Loud it.
Igwe, have you heard? Hush puppy is talking the walking bag of money, European money, all the way from Dubai. Have you heard?
You don't need to tell me. Oh. Seeing is believing. I have seen it and I believed you.
Yes, Igwe, I'll just go straight to the point. The kind of money that I have, I won't like to waste time or try to shout. I'll just hit the nail on the head. The present to know, the one you just put in that one, I want you to remove him and make Papilo the owner. Yes, and Igwe, I want you to do that within the space of 3 days. I will back that with 10 million naira.
10 million naira? 10 million guinea poopa. Let me hear you.
Igwe, I cannot shout.
Have you
I'm working too long.
Have you
affecting my throat. I can't scream. You heard me. I'll give you 10 million. Brother, bless Igwe.
10 million naira.
Hush puppy has spoken. Igwe, this is it.
Igwe, that's 10 million naira. Make Piccolo the next Ono.
Shift.
I'll be on my way.
Shift.
Igwe, 3 days. 2 days, Igwe.
Make way for the walking bag of money. Make way for the walking bag of money.
Princess!
Hello.
How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. How are you?
You look good.
Thank you.
And I'm great. How have you been?
I've been well.
Good to see you. Yes, your sister, how's she?
She's fine.
Good.
But she's out, as always.
Okay. Just send my regards to her, alright?
Okay.
Nice.
One more thing, please.
Yes.
Can I come pay you a visit later this evening?
You're free anytime. You're invited.
Thank you.
Let's go.
The money bag just left the building.
Money, the more you look, the less you see. Too much money.
What happened to you?
Baba.
Eh?
Is it not that useless boy calling himself Hush Puppy?
Hush Puppy did this to you. What did you do to him?
Baba, I did nothing to him. He just stopped me, beat me up, and took my car.
He took your car?
Yes, Baba.
And I thought this man was a good man. So the money Hush Puppy has is to intimidate people in this community. He has now brought it to me, Onowu of this community. No, it can never happen. Look at what he did to you.
You must pay for this, Papa.
He will pay for it.
You must, Papa.
You know what? Just go inside and relax. I will dress in my full Onowu regalia, go to the palace and report it to him.
Papa, you must pay for this.
Don't worry, come. Hush Puppy. Oya Fuwanya. Oya Fuwanya. Sorry, nice.
Tekno. Yes. Tell me who is sponsoring your stupidity.
I don't understand.
You are a moron. In fact, you are a fool. Your father is smart. I don't know where you got this foolishness from. Are you supposed to be following Piccolo up and down the village? Or are you supposed to extort him and start a lucrative business? Fool!
I see. You are wise. That is why you ended up without having a kiosk in this village. You are still staying in your father's old house.
My friend, I am making a point. So listen and just do what is expected of you.
Old man, all destinies are not the same. Some will be rich, some will be poor.
So you are destined to be poor?
Yes, like you, Papa. Are you not poor? Too. I thought you had something serious to me. Yeah? Next time you call me a man, you just have something serious.
God knows I am better off without a son than to have one like this. Such a fool. And his foolishness is quite alarming.
Igwe, can you imagine that idiot had the guts, the audacity, and the temerity to seize my son's car after beating him up? Can you imagine?
Oh no. Who did you just call idiot?
Is it not that Henry that they call Hush Puppy, that was formerly called Piccolo? Can you imagine, Igwe?
Hold on. You opened your mouth to call Hush Puppy. Hush Puppy, an idiot. Igwe. Before my face, it is you that is an idiot.
Igwe.
You opened your mouth to say nonsense of Hush Puppy. Do you know who you just called idiot? Now listen. Let me teach you a bitter lesson of your life. Henceforth, you have ceased to be my Onowu.
Igwe, I cease to be the Onowu. My brand new Onowu title you want to take away from me. Igwe Omanne. Because I reported the injustice meted out to my son.
Listen, in 8 months' time, you will be alive to witness the coronation of new Onowu. Take this your thinking.
Igwe, you are partial though. Igwe, you are partial. You are partial. Malokwa, I will leave. But it is not the end of this matter. I will leave.
Leave. Let it be end of your life even. Imagine you calling Hush Puppy idiot. You opened your mouth before my very face.
Hey, see who we have here. My princess, how are you? Please sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. How have you been? Good, good.
You know, I heard that you refuse to take anything. Don't you want to drink? I have brandy, champagne, Dom Perignon, Moet, anything you want, name it.
Come on, Rush. See, is enough for me.
Are you sure? So tell me, how are your parents? The king, the royal majesty, the queen, and your beautiful sister. How are they doing?
Everybody's doing well.
Good.
Beautiful house you have here.
Money really went down. It's the harsh way.
Living life.
Of course. We thank God for everything. Good to have you, princess.
Rush.
Yes.
Allow me spend some time with you here.
Come on, princess. You don't need to ask me. You're free. I mean, you can breeze in and out anytime you want.
I mean, I would like to have you all to myself.
My princess, that's my G-spot. My neighbor. Yeah.
My princess, I understand how you feel. It is not your fault. You love him not because he is hush puppy today, but because he has occupied a special place in your heart. You love him. You are not a good girl, princess.
You do not understand it. He's very rich now, and a lot of girls are flocking around him. So if I should go close to him, that he might take me as one of them.
No, I disagree with you. You were his friend, even while he was poor.
Yet I abandoned him when he needed me the most.
My princess, that was not your fault at all. It wasn't your fault. You were locked up.
But remember, I never told him my feelings before he left to the city. So if I should say that now, he might see it like he may lie.
I don't think so. I don't still believe he hates you either.
I'm so confused.
Mama? Yeah. And where are you both going dressed like this? Are you going to church?
Mama, are you not the one that said we should go to the market?
And you are going to market? Yes. Meanwhile, you dress as if you are going to church.
Yeah.
Where are those clothes you wear in school?
They're in our bags now, Mama. Is there any need wearing them? We're in the village now.
And so what? So, because you are in the village, listen, it seems you don't know why I called you both back from school to this village.
Okay, Mama.
Why, Mama?
Why are you here?
Yeah, good question. Hush Puppy is in this village, and I want him to marry one of you. If possible, both of you or all my daughters. Because that boy is money-making machine, and I want both of you to look sexy.
Even when going to the market?
Even when going to the toilet or to the street. Even when you are going to cook in the kitchen, I want you to look sexy for Hush Puppy. Because if you people miss Hush Puppy, I will disown you. He must marry both of you. In fact, all of you. Oh yeah. Those clothes that we look at you. Oh yeah. Let's go so that you
Hush, Bobby, please, I'm begging you. Please, I'm begging you. Please don't do this to me, please. Forgive me. I wasn't thinking straight then. But now, I believed in your future now. Then I was misbehaving.
You're kneeling down begging me now because I have graduated from Piccolo to Hush Puppy.
Swaggy again.
Loud it.
Have you heard? Hush Puppy money again.
Loud.
Have you heard? Hush Puppy money again.
Yeah, I'm not angry with you.
Hey, thank you. Thank you so much.
As a matter of fact, you have done me more good than her. And that's because all your insults, name callings and everything actually motivated me. And that's why I brushed Puppy today. Loud it, loud it.
Hey, Hush Puppy money again. Have you heard?
But unfortunately for you, I cannot align with you.
Hey.
I mean, I can't see myself ruling with you because you do local.
Bam.
You're a local champion.
Yeah.
You are familiar with this earring. So you still use this earring. Keep your ears on space.
Yeah. Bam.
Let this enter your ear. Like here.
Swag again.
Who uses gel at this time and era?
Swag again.
Brazilian hair.
Hey, swag.
Peruvian hair.
Have you heard?
I'm sure that's new to you.
Swag again.
Your shit. Cause and joy.
Hi there. Hey, swaggy. Hey, swag.
This t-shirt, eh?
Swag.
Mado, obio, mado.
Cars! Boss!
Roland! Show her the way out.
Hush Puppy, please, I'm begging you. I know I messed up back then, and I never believed in your future. But now I believe in your future. I even believe in your next future to come. I believe in everything.
Oh my God, swag.
Please don't throw me away. See, I know I'm a local champion. I know I'm a village girl. And I know I'm a village cargo. But you can still touch me up. Why are you have money?
Stop! Roland!
Please now, Puppy, please no! Hey, give me a gun!
I have decided to make you the general manager of the industry. That's alright. Yes, you deserve it. But you see, anybody that aligns with Hush Puppy need to align with
Real matter.
Wow. So you cannot be rolling with me and Trek. Wow. So I have decided to gift you this little car. You say what?
Cat. Boss! Hush Puppy, you wear swag now. You're getting swag.
Swag! Hush Puppy, right? Let me tell you my swag.
I'm looking at swag!
Let me know! Check the one back.
Have any of you gone out today?
Ah, Papa, but you not send us anywhere.
You mean you people have been here playing since morning without going out? Huh?
People can't judge it. Where would we have gone to? I can't remember you sending us anywhere. We are here playing.
These children are serious. You have been here playing. Huh? Hi! So now tell me, as you didn't go out since morning till now, how would Hush Puppy see you or pick all of you as bride?
So Papa, you mean we should go into the community and start looking for Hush Puppy?
Oh, will you shut up your mother? Huh? Will you get inside there and dress separately and hit the street there? Huh? Will you get inside for her? Huh? So you don't want me to be in-law? To pay, for what?
You see what I want you all to do for me right now? In 3 days' time, I'm going to be the number one in this community. Something I have desired so much for so long. I want you to run down to Mazion Ubo's house. Mazion Ubo.
Papa, I'm now a car owner. Papa, I told you.
Brother, you mean you own this car?
He said, this is one of my cars. Yo, me. Right? Papa!
Hey, dude. Can I ask you something?
Yeah, madam.
Who did you steal that car from?
Now, Papa, man. Papa, forget it, man. Papa, this is one of my cars. This is my baby. Yeah, my wife. Now. Yeah, my wife. Papa, let me tell you something. Papa, I have to talk. Papa, let me show you my swag. Let me just show you my swag. Papa. Man!
Why are you crying? Don't even come and don't even try it. You're the cause of the humiliation I received today. You're the cause. You caused it. I told you that he would not listen to me, but you forced me. You told me to go and try. Now see. What is it? I don't understand. What is it? I'm talking about Hush Puppy. I'm talking about Hush Puppy. Hush Puppy threw me away from his compound. Can you imagine? More drama. How am I the cause of it? Why are you blaming me? Please take your frustration elsewhere. Why am I the one that has to go and insult him at the first place? Isn't I told you, my friend? I never knew a wolf in sheep's clothing. It's you that is a lizard in a snake clothing. Instead of you to bear your shame, you're looking for who to hang it on. No nonsense. I thought you're a learned graduate, as I always claim every time. I'm not getting here. Graduate. You should tell back. Graduate. You can't eat your cake and have it. Nonsense. Okwala again. Hey! Hey! I thought you were my friend. Hey! Choma, you have lost everything. Choma, you have lost everything because of greed. And you got your car. And you got your man. Choma, you have lost everything. Even the team that I'm going after is rejecting me. It isn't Kenjaga. And Elwaka Bazukamaka Goso. Hey, Otoquanuma. If I don't leave this village. I'll leave this village. The shame is just too much. Bazukamaka.
know.
How do we look?
Nekwandinga. In fact, both of you look so stupid. Both of you. Hey!
Well, I don't blame you. I blame myself for asking a dead man a question. Because dead men do not talk. And even if they talk, their words are meaningless. Yes.
And why? Can't you look at good thing and appreciate it at once?
Nekwanyenka. Take this knife and cut off your head.
Say whatever you want to say. I don't care. But I must tell you one thing. I don't care. Oh.
Nekwanyenka. No! Why will you care? Tell me, why will you care? When you are presenting yourself alongside your daughter to hot puppy. Why will you care? If he gets married to you, you are broken record. That one man marries both daughter and mother. No, no.
And how does it affect you? Am I not a widow? I'm asking you, am I not a widow? Mind your words. Hate speech is 5 years. Look at my hand. 5 years in prison.
You call yourself a widow. And that widow will you be? You will never be a widow in Jesus' name.
I want to be a widow. I want to be a widow.
You want to know okay?
Look at them. Look at them. Like mother, like daughter. We will see. In fact, let me control what I'm doing. Hey!
Uche, you know you're very stubborn. I hope you've changed.
Of course, right now, the kind of money you came back with, can change everybody. Not that I was stubborn that time, I was never stubborn now. I was never stubborn. Just that I was trying to push you to your destiny. I wanted to push you to the top.
I see.
Yes.
This way is paying money. I don't like it. Other woman. Brother, I don't want to become a tenant of property. This life that I'm living now.
God forbid. I understand what you're saying, but you have absolutely nothing to worry about because my money long. Hush puppy don't be guiding based on my activity, my doings.
This hush puppy, like the name is sweet. I like it, hush puppy. But how did you come up with this name, hush puppy? What inspired you?
Okay, the truth is, after I left the city, I went to Dubai, to hustle. Right there where we hustle, there's this pet that always come around. This puppy, this wild puppy, and I was so fond of the puppy. I always played with the puppy, and to the extent that my friends even call me puppy. And we have this saying I always have in the back of my mind that when I have money, I will hush everywhere. So one day somebody just said, "You be hush puppy." I said, "Okay, hush and puppy, add them together, hush puppy." So that's like it. But since then, that's been an activity.
Okay, now we understand. Brother, ever since you went to that place,
Dubai,
yes, you made money suddenly. Within this short period, how?
Enough, alright? Enough of the bass booms. People want to win me question. Who get money make it chill now, I can't have the kind of money that I have and still answering questions like this. Am I receiving interview? Don't worry, let's carry over all these questions to tomorrow. For now, relax. The only discussion I like is when you talk about money. Anything outside money, you pay me for my ear because me that talk and do, I talking and do. Meanwhile, you take this one and change your clothes. The clothes I see on Instagram, I'd like you to update yourself. And your hair. I know you know about Peruvian and Brazil. It's not him, I'm talking to you. Take. Buy woman hair. Thank you. And your makeup, there's this makeup that is raining now. Girls use it. If you kiss them, it will not stain you. I don't know what they call it.
But I don't have a boyfriend.
Did I ask you if you have a boyfriend? Come on, take this thing. You have to tell about boyfriend. They will still start coming.
Hush popping money.
I do this.
Hush popping.
Add it to the list. This one is for nothing. Spend money for nothing.
Hey! Hush popping money.
You'll be loyal, so
yes.
You need to spend.
Hush popping money. Hush popping money.
It's okay. This is the one. Buy something to your head. How much did I give you?
Money.
It's loud it.
Hush popping money.
Now you can loud it.
But I thank you. I'm your brother now. Did you forget me?
Yeah, I saw you. See your brother, but you are not loyal. Let me use this time now to watch your probation.
Tekno, I want you to use your connection as Hush Puppy's manager and connect my sister Mercy so that there will be packaging.
Let me tell you, I am the PA and the manager to the Hush Puppy. When you are talking about connection, I am the connector to the connection, which is Hush Puppy Dubai.
I know.
Hush Puppy money. Hey, go now to Jonah Dubai.
I know. That's why I came to you.
Wire master.
Yes, now. So how are we going to go about it?
Before we start anything, consultation fee 5,000.
Only 5,000.
5,000.
Okay, no problem. I have 5,000 at home. I will give my sister the money, Mercy. Provided you connect my sister Mercy to Hush Puppy. My brother, I am the connection to the connector. I know. That's why I came to you directly. It's not as if I don't know Hush Puppy's house. No, you understand? Okay, now bye bye. Good afternoon.
Sister Njideka and the daughter. Go to Biakwa. How may I help you?
It's because of Hush Puppy.
Oh, Hush Puppy?
Yes.
Madam, so what do you want?
I want Hush Puppy.
Let me tell you, if it's for you, it's 15,000. Do you know why? Because your age and Ebago and monopause. That place is the lie. They are wasn't me. No, for you it's 15,000. For your daughter, turn around. I like this your daughter. With this boy leg, I don't Hush Puppy forever. Hush Puppy will never leave you. 8,500 naira.
8,500 naira. Just 8,500
Cash,
naira.
I don't like transfer.
Wait there.
Mommy, leave me. I want
It's
to
not me that brought you.
I want to go and bring it.
No,
I'm
it says
coming.
50,000.
I want to go and bring
Yes.
it.
I'm bringing the money. No.
Anybody that comes with cash, will Hush Puppy. I don't. Yes, and when more SIM card in the receive a lot. Hush Puppy.
Papilo, I like your vibes. I like how you vibe. I like your energy. You know, I met a friend in Dubai. He acts just the same way you act. And I said to him, I have someone like you, although he's a bit older than you are. I call him father in Nigeria, and that's you. Because of your positive energy, your positive vibe. Papilo!
Yo, Hush, man. You just hit it right by the head, you know what I'm saying?
What's up?
Right on point. But I'm gonna tell you straight up like this, man. A nigga always gonna be a nigga. It don't matter how old or young. Because he knows how to pull the trigger. Make a nigga shiver. Run down to the river and catch a fucking fever.
Hey! You see why I like you? That reminds me, Papilo. Yeah. I hope you're getting ready. Because you will be the next Onu in this kingdom. I will make sure of that.
Man, that's like a done deal. I'm just still no. But how can I be there without you?
That's what's up.
You made it all possible. So I appreciate you, man. All your love and support. Cheers!
Listen, you don't need to thank me. Papilo, you're a good man.
Cheers!
You see? Anytime you say chi, I just get that vibe.
You know what I mean?
Listen, your son is a very good person. He was there for you when I needed no support. You know, that's why I said to myself, no matter what you need, any financial assistance you need, I will tell you up to you.
Just call on me.
That's good to hear. You know, you're my homie of life.
That's what's up.
Where can I be without you, man? Because you know what time it is.
I know. Oh, Papilo, I don't want you to leave me like that. You know, anytime you're with me, it's always a vibe, right? I know you're living, but I want you to leave me with something.
So I'm not giving. So like the old Papilo.
That's what's up.
You know, kind of vibe.
That's what I want.
Okay. All right. I'm the man with the lady. That's why they call me Papi. And I'm chilling with nobody but Hush Papi. I got money. Forget Mr. Bunny. You know what I'm saying? We chilling. Just like a baby. Swag on Canada. Hey, swag on Canada. Swag on Canada. I got my homie. Swag on Canada. Hey, breaking it down.
Papilo! Yo, open the gate for Papilo. Papilo!
Yeah, I got it.
One time, hold this. Just for 5 minutes. Don't shout it. This is such Papi money. Don't loud it. Please give me more vibe as you're going. Vibe as you're going.
Hey, up in this place.
Hey,
I ain't got no case.
Hey,
cause I got the grace.
Hey,
ain't nobody gonna try to give me any case.
Hey,
what's my dog? Hey, I'm in there, boss. I'm in there.
Hush puppy, too much money. See money, they rent like water. See money, they pump like air. Waiting I go use you do with money. Waiting I go use you do with money. You insult me, you make me suffer money. I go make them say, hush puppy don't
my friend.
I go make them say, hush puppy don't hammer. Everywhere I go.
Come out from there. Where are you hiding? Aproko. Asili kobo. Did I tell you I was hiding? Eh? So where are you running to? Eh? Joma, where are you running to? I'm not running to anywhere. Isn't it obvious? If not, where could you be going with all these your luggages in your hands? It's obvious. It's obvious you're running away from the shame you've caused for yourself. Isn't it obvious? Chama the beautiful girl. Okay. Chama the beautiful girl. Don't insult me. Don't insult me, okay. Oh, I know why I'm keeping you quiet. Don't insult me. You know what happened between Piccolo and Chima? You remember how Chima insulted Piccolo while he was going to the city? And now Chima is begging to retrieve his car. You remember, right? Shut up! That can never be your case because you don't even have a future. When you get to the city, continue with your akuna 10 kobo. Akuna 10 kobo. Do you have a future? Okay, your mouth is smelling. Go and pray. Before you come out. My mouth is smelling. My mouth doesn't smell. You have a future. You have a future. You have a future. Carry your. Come on, get my. You Look at this one talking to me about future. Do you have a future? Do you have a future? Very soon now. And as in very soon. You will stay in your father's house. No man will marry you. I got my baby. You're not ashamed of yourself. I don't have a future. Idiot. Hey.
The more you look, the less you see. Too much money. The more you look, the less you see. Too much money. Money, I go do you like puppy. Money, I go throw you like puppy. I go drop you for grand. I go match you like carpet.
I already apologized. I'm sorry. Please, let's just be friends.
Listen, respect yourself. I'll push you away. If I push out of this place, nothing will happen to me. The only reason I'm not doing that is because I have respect for women. Normally, I'll just push you. And even if I push you, nobody will come. You're royalty now. Stand up and leave this place. I've already told you. Nothing can happen between us. What's all these ones? Please. Respect yourself. I can't please let me kneel down. I don't like all this rubbish. Just listen.
Hush. What is going on here? Adesa, how could you? How could you be so loose and so cheap? How could you?
You mind the way you talk to me? I'm still your elder sister.
Elder sister, my foot. Listen, I lost the respect I had for you the moment you went behind me to snatch my man. Hush Puppy is my man.
Hush Puppy is no one's man.
Yes!
He is no one's man. I'm sure you made it clear to us that you both have nothing in common yet.
But you know my intention, you bloody betrayer.
And how is that my business?
What is going on here? What is happening? Huh? Who wants to pull down the roof of this building? What is happening?
Mother, warn your daughter, warn your sheep daughter, warn your slut. Tell her not to try shit with me because I'm not going to take it from her. Try me and see another side of me.
And you better talk to her because I will not stay and watch her call me names.
Oledo! Adeze! 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 What is going on? Adeze!
It's not by force, so. You understand? It's for your own good. You understand? This money I want to collect from you people is called consultation fee. Let me tell you, even in the Bible, Habakkuk chapter 1 verse 9 was saying it. Before you see God, you will go through Jesus. I'm the Jesus of this generation. See, let me tell you, I'm the special advisor to Hush Puppy in Dubai. And before you see Hush Puppy, you will come through me. That is why I'm AKA V8 Hush Puppy. And I go back and back. You understand? Money is not my problem. This is what? This is my khaki. Say khaki. Khaki. Say khaki. Khaki. That was the most of your time. I'm definitely this is my khaki. You have what they call sensor. What I saw you can solve. My khaki, sorry. Sorry. He doesn't like Ike and Nash. Please, one after the other. What's your name? Tell me your name. Obioma. It's like you will get touch from me. Because your name is trying to attract Obi hearts. But Obi Hana get Obi. It's not bad. He says Obioma. Can I see your name? Turn around. No, don't tell me because I'm the one to. You don't even. You can out there, but you don't bet. Your Alage can be educated. Your Ike is not. It's moderate. Your Ike is moderate.
But he choose me.
By God's grace. Okay. What is your name?
Ebube.
Ebube. Get a gallant because.
What is the meaning of this?
Papa, don't spoil my business, oh. Papa, don't spoil my business. Papa, here for my job, oh. If you have your own 5,000, you better go and join the queue. When it's your turn, I will attend to you. That get go.
5,000 for what?
Oh, you see, Hush Puppy. I'm the special advisor to Hush Puppy in Dubai.
Before I close my damn eyes and open it up again, and I see all of you here, you will not like it. All of you!
Papa, why are you spoiling his business?
Papa, better go and bring back all my customers. They did not that much.
Papa, why are you spoiling his business? Papa, why are you spoiling his business? If you don't have money to join the queue, please pass and go inside. You're the one who encouraged him to be wise. Now he's wise and you're spoiling his wisdom.
Chinedu, you call this stupidity wisdom?
Don't mind them. Was this how Hush Puppy made his billions to put up that castle of an edifice? I don't think so. Look out for illiterate graduate, that's what you Hush Puppy, Hush Puppy, money, money, Hush Puppy, too much money. Money, money, they like water.
Papa, I don't like this thing, oh. Papa, let me tell you, I'm not happy, oh. Papa, let me tell you, I'm leaving you because of what, oh. Papa, I'm telling you.
Now listen to me, both of you. I have made so many mistakes in the past. One mistake I will not make is to allow my family go back to poverty. Do you understand? What? Brother, this why you are sounding like this. I hope all is well. All is well. It's just that I had a bad dream.
Why don't you tell us about it?
About the dream. Listen to me. In this bag, I have lots of dollars. You see, lots of over 100 million. I had to screw up my account. But I want you to take this money, go to the bank, and open your account for yourselves. Then you see the money there. Do you understand? Good.
But I am not comfortable with this. Why are you sounding like you want to die soon? Then make me understand.
See, brother, the truth is, I don't care if you want to die. If you want to die, but the thing is, since you know about giving us this money before now, why didn't you tell us? So that we can open our account before now. Then you can wire the money by transfer. Instead of risking giving us this $100 million in cash. You don't. Like I said, you won't understand. Right? So keep quiet. Take this bag to do what I asked you to do. Yes.
You are to receive that money.
Don't even care. It's money as
So let's quickly get down to the business of the day. The reason we are here. What does it listen? Ground appeal. You know. I said, crown him, do you know?
This is a great insult. This is a great humiliation. I cannot take it.
What the hell are you saying? Do you want to rot in jail when my homie Hoshi hears about this?
You heard him? Remember your son's fate. Think of what will happen to you.
I will do it, since you have instructed.
I don't give a damn how ugly your face is, nigga. I'm coming straight up to take my title.
Chee! I will do it. I will do it.
Take it easy. Don't take my cap like that. You really want to check it out.
I will do it.
You better put it right.
No!
Put my paraphernalia. Put all my paraphernalia.
Oh no!
I do not know why you don't want to take a bold step to reclaim your man.
When my sister have thrown herself on him, no, we'll look so cheap. No.
But my princess, she said they shared nothing.
And what if she's lying?
Does she really have any reason to do that?
Yes! I know my sister very well. She's desperate and she can do the unthinkable.
And that is the reason you need to make haste while the sun shines. To you, it's all about love. Your heart beats for him. You love him. But your sister, we all know, is all about the fame and the money. My princess, if you ask me, you deserve him more.
You fade. You fade.
Yes.
Tinkle, 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 little tinkle, 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 tinkle. You fade again.
Okay.
Too much money.
Papa, why are you so excited?
Don't tell me you're blind, my daughter. Take a good look at my head and tell me what you see.
Oh
no! And that's what I got. Check this out. Hush Puppy is a real G. He's my homie. He got money and he knows how to spend it. He got this one for me. So please, big shout out to Hushie!
Money.
Big shout out to Hushie!
He's called face in the breeze.
Yeah! Exactly. Go in there and get things ready while we celebrate.
Okay, Papa.
Hey!
I gon' make them yes say Hush Puppy don't enter. I gon' make them no say Hush Puppy don't hammer. Everywhere I go, people go they shout my name.
Oh no, man!
Udogu, Udogu, everywhere they shake. Hush Puppy no big guy nemo, na money. He depend this town radio with him money. Money no they hide at all. Oh. Na money, the more you look, the less you see. Oh. Too much money, the more you look, the less you see. Oh. Too much money. Hush Puppy no big guy nemo, na money. He depend this town radio with him money. Money no they hide at all. Oh. Na money, the more you look, the less you see. Oh. Too much money, the more you look, the less you see. Oh. Too much money. Hush Puppy no be kind nemo, na money. This town radio with him money. Money no they hide at all.
Caribbean money. Too much money. Too much stuff. Princess. How are you? Yeah.
Well, you look really nice.
How you doing, man?
I'm good, and you?
Nice, I'm fine, as you can see.
Well, I was about coming to your house.
My house?
Yes.
Why were you coming to my house?
What do you mean? Can't I visit my old-time friend?
No, that's not what I mean. I'm just asking. Huh? Listen, you know you're special now, and I got something for you.
Really?
Yeah.
So what could that be?
I'll shock you.
Okay.
Roller.
I can't wait.
Get the guy. You can say that again.
Whoa.
You see, I'm dripping.
You look good. Nice.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Good to see you too, man.
Good to see you again.
Yeah. So,
good to see you. Be dripping.
Listen.
So what is this?
Bag of money.
Hold this.
For you. Check it out.
What?
Money.
Money?
Yes.
Piccolo, yes. What do you take me for? No. What is the meaning of this? I don't love you for your money. I love you for who you are. What are you taking me for?
Who am I? I am Hush Puppy. This long money is part of me now. So if you love me, you love everything about me. And this money, it's part of me.
Have you heard?
Accept this money. Money long. Why are you stressing yourself?
Can I ask you one question?
Go ahead.
Do you love me? Do you?
My princess, I love you so much. But all that do not matter right now. Why, if I may ask? I had all the opportunity to date when I was small.
So why can't you date now that you have all the qualities to take care of a woman?
Because I love you so much.
You're making the whole thing complicated. You're getting me more confused.
Princess, the truth is I am committed. See, I don't just want to break your heart.
Hey! I know you ain't lying. Don't tell me you didn't see me, man.
Papilo, I saw you. But I don't owe you any greeting, do I?
Hey, do you realize you're talking to the unknown of this community? Remember?
And I have been there before you, remember?
You will be a deadbeat if I should tell my homie, Hush Puppy, about this insult.
Look, Papilo, why are you reacting like this? You know you are my friend. Yeah, I was just joking with you.
That's my boy talking. Lamb hey. Hey yo, call me Onowu man.
Onowu man.
I didn't hear you. Say it loud. Call me Onowu man.
Onowu man.
Chee. 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 Chee.
Princess, you shouldn't.
If you want to talk to me, sit down.
Thank you, my princess. My princess, you shouldn't feel too bad about this. Eh? At least he gave you enough as consolation.
Enough of what? No, enough of what? Money. Do I need his money? I always loved that guy, even before he became Hush Puppy whatever. Don't you get it? I don't need his money.
I know, my princess. Eh? But he said it's for your own good.
For my own good? Breaking my heart is for my own good.
You never can tell. He has his own reasons.
Okay, just leave me. Just let me be. I want to be alone.
Okay, my princess.
Hush Puppy. Yeah, so finally, you're here. Officer.
Sir.
Take me away.
Wait, officer, wait. What is going on here? Why are they taking you away? What is going on?
Very soon, the news will go viral. Put one thing on the back of your mind. This is not the end of Hush Puppy. I'll be back.
What news?
Take
What
me
is
away.
going on? What news? Please. Wait! Officer, please.
Ikolo, aka Hush Puppy, has been arrested.
Chimama, is that why we're celebrating?
Yes, Papa.
What
was the reason for his arrest?
But me too. I want to.
Mama, Hush Puppy is a cyber criminal. He has duped people all over the world of their hard-earned money. The FBI, a whole FBI, Mama, of America, came down to Nigeria to pick him up.
You don't mean it?
Yes, Papa.
You don't mean it?
Yes.
I said it, oh. I said it. I knew his money wasn't pure. I knew it.
Come on, shut up. Pure or not pure, money is money. Or did he kill anyone? Okay, let me ask you. Did they say he pointed a gun on anybody's forehead? He's just an intelligent person.
Mama, it is called stealing by false pretense, and it is against the law.
Wait.
Hi!
Let us call a spade a spade. If for job, what he did was evil. Yeah, but he has offended me. Yes, he has offended me. Let us pray and come back.
Amen. Whether he comes back or goes from to let's celebrate.
Onye ndị aba mba, onye ndị aba, ịma na ọ nke aka nna anọ.
Hush puppy don't enter. Udo, udo, everywhere is shake. Hush puppy no be kind name, oh. No money, he dey bend this town radio with him money. Money no dey hide at all, oh. No money, the more you look, the less you see, oh. Too much money, the more you look, the less you see, oh. Too much money, hush puppy no be kind name, oh. No money, he dey bend this town radio with him money. Money no dey